To search for a kit in Gimkit, you can see I'm logged in here and I'm under Kits on the left-hand side. You can go to Search Kits in the top right-hand corner, and you can type in whatever you might be looking for. One clue, if you're a billing schools teacher, is to always put BPS and then 3, or the grade level. 3 would mean 3rd grade. And then you can put in whatever you're searching for. And now anything with the Wonders curriculum and BPS 3 will come up once it's loading. Look at that, it's pretty slow. Maybe I should add Wonders there. And then you can see, look at this, all of Lauren's things from Wonders Unit 1, Week 1 are popping up there. Another way to search for kits, I'm going to go back. Gimkit, if you press this, takes you home. But if you go to school library, it will take you to any Gimkits that have been made by your peers in your school. And so you could just click on those kits, and then in the left over here, if you press copy, it goes into your kit. So now if I were to go press back to Gimkit here, come on, and kits, that one I just copied should appear shortly. There it is. So again, you've got search kits up here to find others, and you've got the school library to search in.